out of a Subaru. No. That was amazing. All right, so I got to get pretty close to this because this camera you can't see unless it's like right next to it. That is a scorpion right there, and it was sitting next to Elmadon's nuts the whole time. Yeah. We just drove home.
Want me to get an angle from right here?
Yeah.
Bro.
So you just got to get close to it. So Elmadon just crawled from this seat all the way back there. Somehow, if you see, Elmadon's well over 6 feet tall, and somehow made it within seconds out of that door.
Through that little...
Bro. Oh, here you go. Oh, that is nuts. Literally. All right, let's get this thing out of here.
Hold on, let me...
Are you serious?
You're going to catch it.
What are you... No, you're
okay,
gonna fucking
wait.
lose that thing in his car.
He got it.
What up?
Oh, bro, look at it freaking out.
Your balls.
Yeah.
You want to check it out? It's right here.
That was crazy. See you later.